Today we're here at IFA Berlin, where we're going to take a look at our recently announced device, the Xperia 5. We're here at the eye autofocus section. This little green square automatically tracks and keeps focus on this lady's face we have here, and it will track and calculate at 30 calculations per second actually where the eye is. So to complement the excellent viewing experience that we have on the 21:9 cinema-wide display, we're also supporting Dolby Atmos. Now, Dolby Atmos will do wonders for your immersive experience when it comes to both movies, but also when listening to music. Behind me, we have two professional German pro gamers that are actually using their Xperia 1s and their DualShocks from PlayStation, connected and playing Fortnite. To find out more about Xperia 5, visit sonymobile.com or check out our Instagram or Facebook account.